Hi my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk to you about one product that has helped me transform my hair. And I'm talking about the new L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. It's a hair serum for all hair types. So whether you have chemically treated hair, frizzy hair, dry hair, curly hair, or heat your hair regularly, it's for all hair types. My hair has become so smooth and shiny and it is so much more easier to manage. I have heard so much about this product from international YouTubers and how they loved the product, and now finally it is launched in India. Though it's an oil, it's non-sticky and very lightweight. It is also very easy to apply because of the pump the bottle has. The packaging is amazing. It's a glass bottle and feels so luxurious. As ingredients, it's got a combination of 6 rare flower oils like lotus, rose, flax, chamomile, sunflower, and tiare or tiare. I really don't know how to pronounce it. And that makes my hair healthier and manageable. I have straight hair naturally and I do love coloring my hair, and I do straighten my hair whenever I have to shoot. So my hair has to go through a lot. Also, after I take bath, my hair does become frizzy. So I love using it in different ways. Like whenever I have to shoot, I apply it on my dry hair before styling, as it adds shine and also protects from heat up to 230 degrees. So I apply all over the hair except my roots, and my hair instantly feels smooth, frizz-free, healthy, and more manageable. And then I straighten my hair. Now it's 3 o'clock. I applied the serum about an hour and a half ago, and my hair still feels frizz-free, manageable, and super soft. While I use the serum before styling my hair, you can use it in so many other ways. Like I also use it before blow drying my hair to tame my baby hairs, as an overnight treatment, as a pre-shampoo treatment. I also use it to detangle my hair and to control the frizz. So I do have baby hairs. So what I do is I just take the tiniest amount and then just apply it on top so that my baby hairs, they settle down. And now I don't have any baby hair. Usually hair serums, they don't provide nourishment, but this one does. And after application, my hair does not feel frizzy at all. It feels so much more shiny, frizz-free, soft, manageable, and nourished. Like I mentioned earlier, this is for all hair types, so here are some interesting claims. So I've got the claims mentioned here. The product claims to prevent damage from sunlight, up to 98% less hair fall, protects hair from heat up to 230 degrees, is great for humid weather as it cuts frizz and smoothens hair by 87%. I have a couple of friends who are influencers and they have curly hair and they absolutely love this product. Same goes for all those who have chemically treated hair or straighten their hair regularly. This product is supposed to give you a lot of vitality and a healthy look to your hair. I honestly love this product and I totally recommend it because it actually worked on my frizziness and made my hair more softer and smoother and healthier. I've also recommended it to a lot of my friends and family. The best part is it's for all hair types, so you really don't have to wonder if it's for your hair. So try it out. It's priced at 499 rupees. The quality is great for the price. It's super affordable and totally worth it. Also guys, do check out the link in the description box below. Alright, so that was it. Whenever I come across a great product, I make sure that I review it for you guys. So that was it. I hope you found this helpful and enjoyed watching this video. So like, comment, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.